Hello, this is the debate show, where we listen to what you need to say.
Okay, so I think that Barack should put all fatty foods back in the stores and schools for children to eat.
Yeah, me too. I think he should because the schools are lame without fries. They need their French fries back so they can have something real to eat.
No. I am not putting junk foods back in schools and stores. This is why half of our people are big out because of these fatty foods. And keeping it healthy.
Shut up, Barack. I don't even like you. I should be president right now. How dare you steal my spotlight?
Blah blah blah, McCain. Nobody likes you and that's why you didn't get picked. Ha 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 ha.
Okay, everyone just be quiet.
I'm leaving. Bye.
Shut up with your big head, McCain. I hate you.